Hello everyone, I am Nikhil. I am from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I would like to explain the course about microcontroller and embedded system, and the course code is 21CS43. I would like to presentation on data processing and instruction, and it is guided by Mrs. Chaitra. Let's move on to this topic and introduction to data processing instructions in a microcontroller. And the data processing instructions in a microcontrollers are a set of operation can be performed on the data. And these instructions allows the microcontrollers to manipulate and transform the data according to the specific requirements. And the data processing instructions are essential for executing complex algorithms and the calculations in the microcontrollers. Next, we can move to the data processing instruction. In arithmetic data processing instruction, they enable the microcontrollers to perform the specific arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These instructions are used to manipulate numerical data to the microcontrollers. The arithmetic instructions are implemented using the dedicated hardware circuits in microcontrollers for efficient execution. Next, we can move to the logical data processing instruction. Logical processing data instructions in microcontrollers perform the logical operations such as AND, OR, XOR, and NOT. And these instructions are to manipulate and compare the binary data. The logical instructions are commonly used in the conditional statements and the bitwise operation in the microcontrollers. Next, we can move to the shift and rotate data processing instructions. Shift and data processing instructions are a shift or rotate the bits of a binary data or binary number. These instructions are used to shift the bits from the left to right or insert the extract the data from specific bits position, and they can rotate the bits in a circular manner. And these shift and rotate instructions are essential for the bit manipulations and data alignments in a microcontroller. And next, we can move to the data conversion instructions. In this topic, data conversion instructions are the used to convert the data from one format to another. And these instructions enables the microcontrollers to convert the difference between the data types such as integer, float point numbers, and ASCII characters. And data conversions instructions are crucial for the interfacing the microcontrollers within external devices and performing the data exchanges. And next we can move to the memory access instructions. In this topic, the memory access instructions allows the microcontrollers to read and write the memory locations. These instructions are used to share or store the retrieved data from internal or external memory devices. The memory access instructions enables the microcontrollers to access the variables, constants, and the program instructions efficiently. Next, we can move to the control flow instructions. In control flow instructions, we can determine the execution and the sequence of the program instructions in the microcontrollers. These instructions includes the branching, looping, and subrouting call instructions. And these control flow instructions enables the microcontrollers to make the decision and repeat or jump the specific parts of the program. And next, we can move to the vector processing instructions. In a vector processing instructions, we can perform the operations on the multiple data elements we can simultaneously. And these instructions are used in the microcontrollers with the vector processing capabilities to exploit the parallelism and enhance the performance. In vector processing instructions are commonly used in the signal processing, multimedia, and scientific applications. We can move to the summary of this topic. The data processing instructions in a microcontrollers enable the manipulations and the transformation of the data. They include arithmetic, logical, and shift and rotate, data conversion, memory access, control flow, and vector processing instructions. These instructions are essential for executing algorithms and performing the calculations and controlling the behavior of the microcontrollers. And the data processing is concerned with the editing or coding, with classifying the tabulating or chatting to research the data, which involves the and windowing the retrieve relevant data and establishing the order to provide the usual format for the completeness and efficiently of the research data. These comprises the progress like editing, coding, classification of the data, the data entry, updating the data, and provide the required outcomes. And the crucial and the essential function in the research to provide the base of the interpretation and analysis of data and draw the outcomes of the research data. Let's move on the conclusion of this topic. Then unlock the full potential of the microcontrollers for the various app data processing instructions play a crucial role in the functionality and the performance of the microcontrollers. Can understanding and utilizing these instructions effectively is a key to developing the efficient and optimizing the microcontroller applications. By leveraging the data processing instructions, developers the applications, and we can accurate the data collections is a research to maintaining the integrity of the research. And the data processing is essential for the scientific study and for ensuring that we have all the relevant data for making the comparisons and analysis. So thank you for watching this video.